Hello, good evening everyone. So this is a PowerPoint presentation to how to enroll yourself in professional tax through online. This is the view of homepage for online enrollment of professional tax. This is the website. You have to check the link of the website, that is www.wbcomtax.gov.in. To get the enrollment, you have to click on the option PT enrollment, that is showing off by an arrow. You have to click there. So this is the view of the home page. If you are applying for first time, choose the first option, that first time application. If your application is incomplete, that is you have to got the application number but didn't get the acknowledgement, choose the second option, that is complete previously saved option. After that, if you have an old enrollment number and you didn't apply for new 12-digit enrollment number, you should choose this option, update old enrollment record. And last but not the least, if you have got the acknowledgement but didn't get the printed copy of the acknowledgement, you should choose this option to get a printed copy of the same. After choosing your relevant option, you have to click on continue option to go to the next page. Here, this is the view of office selection. Here, user has to choose district and then corresponding subdivision and police station. After that, user can see address of his or her range or unit office. Choose district and the user gets a list for subdivision. Choose subdivision from the list and the user gets a list for police station. Choose police station. Click on continue button to go to the next page. Please select these options carefully. You will not be able to change these particulars further during the enrollment procedure. Proceed to apply using the following options. This step-by-step process is same for the rest options. You have to choose. If you are representing individual, you have to choose individual. If you are representing HUF, Hindu Undivided Family, you have to choose HUF. Then if you can also choose firm including partnership firms, company registered under ROC, corporation or other corporate bodies, society, club, association, you have to choose any one. After that, you have to click on continue option. So here are the total classes, that is under the 4A section or 4 section. Here user can choose anyone in which he or she belongs to. Here it is an example how to proceed if user belongs to individual, including proprietary and HUF. So after that, tick the classes user belong to a serial number 4 if applicable. This is a view of profession tax schedule serial 4 which can be applicable for all types of users. If the user finds any particular entry from the list to be applicable in his or her case, he or she should click on the corresponding checkbox. Here user can choose multiple options. In case the user finds no entry to be applicable, he or she may even not select anything. The list should be checked by user of all categories in applying as. Click continue button for going to next page. Input user's necessary details. In the mobile number text box, please input your mobile number carefully. You will give your mobile number. After, OTP will be sent to your specified mobile number. After that, you have to insert father's name, trade name, mention full address and then click to the next slide. Please check OTP carefully and input it carefully into specified field. User can resend OTP by clicking on resend OTP button also. Here is also an option. Application number is automatically generated after entering the OTP number. Email ID is here mandatory, but to verify the link mailed in your email box is not mandatory. User will enter his or her PAN card number accordingly, and it is also a mandatory option. Enter date of commencement of profession or trade also. If you are registered under any other act like VAT or WBST, choose yes. If you don't register, then choose no and then click on continue button to go to the next page. Here you have to choose the type of nature or type of your profession. If yes, please put last year total income also. Choose type, nature and profession calling. Here user can choose multiple options actually. If users belong to nature of profession calling, if it is more than one, give the total amount of user's income. Choose type or nature of trade. It is also mandatory. Here user can choose multiple options. If user belongs to nature of trade and if it is more than one, give the aggregate amount of users receipt or turnover. Click back button to go to the previous page. Click continue button to go to the next page. Click save and exit button if the user wants to fill his or her further details later. If you have any branch, then branch liability also shown here. Current year outstanding will show. Total payable amount will be shown. If you have pre-year liability, that will also be shown in this option. After that, you will go direct for e-payment. Click back to go to previous page. Continue to go to next page. And also you can save the data accordingly. If you already paid tax, so put your challan detail and then submit. Click on submit. Here again you have to click on the continue to go to next page, and if you have done any mistake, to go correct your mistake, you have to click on back page to go to the previous page. So here you have to tick the check box and after that click on submit option. So it is the acknowledgement for the first time applicant. After submit acknowledgement, it will be generated like this. You have to click on finish button to print the acknowledgement form. After submitting a professional tax application, one SMS will come to you, registered mobile number after departmental approval of PAN verification of applicant. So here, enter your application number, mobile number, PAN number, password and then click on the sign up button. This is your enrollment number as well as user ID, both. Click here login for generating certificate. Click here to redirect it to registration portal. So here you have to type your user ID and password to sign up. If you forgot your password, then you have to click on forgot your password option. After that, you have to click here to generate your DMAT certificate. This type of enrollment certificate will be generated after clicking on the DMAT certificate generate option. So here by sharing these slides, I have already shown how to get enrollment of professional tax. This all procedures are user manual procedure and it's very user friendly procedure. So any user who wants to get this kind of process through online or to know more about regarding any kind of problems regarding tax, regarding anything, you can refer to our website, that is www.helpmybiz.in, your friendly neighborhood tax office. Thank you.